Inihahandog ng Philippine Air Force at ng himpilang ito ang programang gagabay tungo sa kapayapaan ng bawat mamamaya at pag-unlad ng buong pamayanan. Usapang mga kapayapaan, usapang pangkaunlaran.
Mayong adlaw sa tuntanan mga higala, kami po ang inyong Philippine Air Force, your air warriors, skylifters in the Visayas. At muli pong sumasayang papawid ang ating palatuntunang usapang pangkapayapaan, usapang pangkaunlaran Cebu. Kauban ang tulka partner nato na radio station diri sa Cebu City. Daghan kayong salamat no. Kay Ma'am Annabel Lagrosas of DYMR 576 kHz Radio Pilipinas. Kay Sir Jonix Sapalyakan of DYLA 909 kHz. Kay Sir Jem Reviosa ng SMNI DYAR 765 Sunshine Radio Cebu. Kay Ma'am Payet Renyan and Ma'am Hazel Glory of PIA 7 sa pagtabang sa itong programa karong adlaw. Ako po inyong host, First Lieutenant Edebert B. Baguio, Philippine Air Force, at kasama aking co-host na si Airwoman Angel Pistejo, Philippine Air Force partner.
Isang mapagpalang araw para sa ating lahat, lalo na sa ating mga libu-libong tagapakinig at tagapagsubaybay sa programang ito. Ang usapang pangkapayapaan, usapang pangkaunlaran Cebu. Tayo din po ay napapanood sa ating social media platform sa Facebook page ng 1000 BG Biniyab, 1000 POP, CMO AMC at ng APAP Cebu. Ang programa pong ito ay para sa ating pagnanais na maihatid po ang mga impormasyon na merong kinalaman sa ating pagsulong ng kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa ating pong bansang Pilipinas. Let us also welcome our comrades from AMC 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing, 250th Presidential Airlift Wing, 220th Airlift Wing, 505 Search and Rescue Group, 560 Air Base Group, Philippine Air Force Civil Military Group, Supreme Student Council Society of the Philippines Cebu Chapter, 5th Arsen. Daghang kaayong salamat for tuning in with us and for supporting our program.
Mga kasama at kinagagalak po nating makasama ang ating resource speaker ngayong hapon na si Ms. Tricia Ann Arsenal, the General Auditor of the Supreme Student Council Society of the Philippines Cebu Chapter, and at the same time, the Vice President External ng National SSCSP. Bumati po muna tayo, Ms. Tricia, ating pong mga tagapakinig at taga-subaybay.
Hello po, magandang hapon sa lahat. So, ako pala si Tricia Ann Arsenal, ang General Auditor ng SSCSP Cebu Chapter and at the same time, the Vice President for External Affairs ng SSCSP na.
So ma'am, para po sa ating unang katanungan, ano po ang Supreme Student Council Society of the Philippines Cebu Chapter at ang layunin po nito?
So, si SSCSP Cebu po ay isa non-partisan, a non-profit, and a Europe-registered organization. This was established last 2021, and the primary goal po ni SSCSP Cebu is we provide our Cebuano young leaders with knowledge, assets, and encouragement that they need to bring about constructive change within their university and communities. Also, we empower our young Cebuano people for peace building, security, and development.
Okay, nice to know na, no? Ms. Tricia, para sa aking question naman, no? Can you share with us anong mga programa na isinasagawa ng SSCSP dito sa Cebu?
Yes po, may mga programs and activities na na-implement or na-accomplish si Cebu Chapter, and it is may physical and then virtual. For physical activities, we were able to collaborate with organizations for the coastal cleanup drive last year with Cordova. Also, nagawa kami ng outreach program for elders in Danao. Pagkatapos nun, mangrove planting din, and we were able to participate with Axel Color Fund Run noong 2023, and nakapag-donate kami ng mga Unilove and Ervon vitamins in Umpad, Mandaue City. While for virtual naman po, nag-conduct kami ng webinar for leadership and public speaking training for young leaders natin, and nag-invite kami ng speaker from Palawan Chapter, the former president. And yeah, yun, mga programs and activities, and we are looking forward pa to establish or implement more programs.
Okay, follow-up ko lang, no, pwede mo ba ma-share sa amin yung ginawa nyo last sa Zamboanga? Yung
Yes,
naging activity ng national sa Zamboanga?
oo. Yung Youth Leadership Summit, I am very privileged kasi si National, isa sa naging facilitator, kami facilitator sa Youth Leadership Summit, and si Youth Leadership Summit kasi is every year ginaganap through with Philippine Air Force. Main organizer talaga si Philippine Air Force. And then it was held sa Zamboanga City. Last year, it was my first time na nag-join sa Batangas as a delegate at ngayon naging facilitator. So, it was a 5-day na summit. I am very happy kasi it's my first time din na pumunta ng Mindanao, and very hospitable na mga ng mga ng Zamboanga chapter ng mga tao doon, and then nakapag-engage at nakapag-work kami with Taoismin throughout the program, and then yung mga resource speakers are very well excellent in presenting their presentation, lalo na sa mga topics in regards with the current issue na young leaders should know about the West Philippine Sea. So it was also na pag-usapan during the summit. And last part na gustuhan ko sa summit is yung tour, kasi nakagala kami sa labas ng base ng Edwin and Orbis. And looking forward na yung summit is baka next year sa Mactan na or dito na sa Cebu, hopefully. And yeah, yun lang.
Okay, thank you, Trish, no? Okay, partner?
So, ma'am, ano po kaya sa ating pong pangatlong katanungan, ma'am? Ano po kaya ang tingin nyo na dapat taglay o katangian ng isang mahusay na pinuno o miyembro ng isang Supreme Student Council, ma'am?
Alright. CSSCSP kasi may core values. Yung core values na is always service for the people. Service is for servant leadership. Next is dapat may empathy ka sa mga tao. R is for resilience. Tapos B for valor. I for integrity. C for commitment. And E for excellence. So yan ang laging dapat nakatatak sa isip ng isang good leader sa Supreme Student Council, na service talaga beyond for the people and from the people.
We have a short break po muna, no? Alang sa gamay na mapahinom doon.
Over the past year, we have made significant steps that complement and boost this administration's vision for a stronger, more capable Air Force.
Is the first response into the farthest areas.
Marami ang naging tulong ninyo pagdating sa rescue operation.
The selfless women and men of the Air Force have been nothing short of exemplary, especially in your efforts to provide prompt assistance by regularly conducting humanitarian and disaster response operations.
We would like to express our gratitude for supporting various disaster risk reduction and management activities in the region.
As a reliable partner, not only in the development but also in preparedness and in emergency situation.
Karamdam natin ang presensya at suporta para masiguro na ligtas, payapa at nagkakaisa ang ating bansa.
Ang inyong mabilis na aksyon ay nagligtas ng maraming buhay.
Let us move forward now, guided by the ideals of a bagong Pilipinas, and remain united in our mission to protect our skies, defend our lands, and serve our countrymen.
Okay, Trish, para sa aking question naman, bilang miyembro ng SSSP, paano kayo nakakatulong upang mahubog bilang isang huwaran na estudyante yung mga nagiging members ng SSSP?
Alright. So, if ikaw ay naging member ng SSCSP, of course, malalaman mo din yung 4 pillars ni SSCSP. Ito yung values transformation, leadership, empowerment, at community development. Sa values transformation ay nag-provide tayo ng tools for support sa students and mga youth to make a positive impact. Pangalawa is leadership. We develop a visionary leaders through mentorship and training. Pangatlo, empowerment. We install yung, instilling yung SSCSP core values, yung service, and social responsibility within you sa member and sa chapter. And lastly, for community development, this is to collaborate for sustainable changes in community.
Ma'am, ano po kaya yung mga, para po dito sa akin pong katanungan, ma'am, ano nga po pala, ma'am, yung mga programa ng SSCSP Cebu Chapter na pwede pong makatulong ang hukbong himpapawid sa pagsasagawa po ng mga ito, ma'am?
As of the moment, the SSCSP Cebu Chapter is, we are reorganizing or relaunching again the chapter, and we will still plan or mag-propose pa ng mga projects na pwedeng ma-collaborate or ma-partner si Philippine Air Force. So if we have already formulate or makapag-plan na kung ano yung mga possible projects, we can siguro makapag-courtesy call with Tausen para ma-present namin yung mga projects or proposal namin para maganda or smooth naman yung lakad or for the implementation ng mga programs. Pero usually, plan ko na mag-propose is yung mga nakataraang mga projects, medyo i-innovate or i-enhance na lang. Kasi as leaders, if makaisip tayo ng project, ayun, proposal, tapos implementation, and tulong-tulong naman sa pag-implement. And also, it's a privilege na makapag-work with Philippine Air Force and also napaka-supportive ng host unit ng Tausen.
Next naman, it's ang ganda pakinggan, no? Hopefully, and we are looking forward na makapag-conduct tayo ulit ng mag-relaunch ng SSSP Cebu Chapter, and rest assured na susuporta kami dito sa Tausen. We have a short break po muna alang sa gamay ng mga pahinumdum.
Together, let us fortify our efforts to build a stronger armed forces of the Philippines that will serve as an instrument for peace and for unity, a catalyst for nation building and a vanguard of stability.
Malayo na ang narating ng sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas. Mula sa simpleng simula nito patungo sa pagiging isang moderno at maaasahang pwersa. Sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., ang pangako ng gobyerno sa modernisasyon ay mas pinalakas at patuloy na isinusulong. Ngunit ang modernisasyon ng sandatahang lakas ay hindi lamang tungkol sa makabagong kagamitan. Ito ay isang pangako ng kapayapaan para sa pamilyang Pilipino upang makapag-aral, makapagtrabaho at mamuhay ng ligtas, malaya at walang takot. Sa bawat hakbang ng modernisasyon, ito ay nagbibigay ng pag-asa at kanlungan sa mga Pilipino. Tunay ngang malayo pa ang ating tatahakin, ngunit malayo na ang ating narating. Ito ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Okay, balik na sa atong topic para suban pang mga importanteng announcement na gikan sa SSSP Cebu Chapter. Ms. Trish, baka bago tayo magtapos, no? Baka meron kang pwede pa i-share na pwede namin mapakinggan, or you can give us a parting statement or message. Baka meron ka pang additional announcement
First of all po, thank you so much for inviting me, and additional information lang. For Cebu chapter, we will be opening our membership siguro by August, and we are encouraging more youth leaders to join the SSCSP Cebu, and lalo na din sa national because we are looking for officers din. And yun lang. Thank you so much for having me, and I am really looking forward to work with you all, Philippine Air Force, lalo na sa 1,000 for projects, collaboration, partnership, and engagement. And hopefully, tutulungan nyo din kami para ma-relaunch again yung Cebu kasi sayang yung org. And maganda ang SSCSP kasi ayun, ginaguide ng mga Philippine Air Force yung mga youth leaders. And thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Ma'am, for the comprehensive information and discussion you shared to us. Saludo po kami sa lahat ng ginagawa ng Supreme Student Council Society of the Philippines Cebu Chapter sa mga programa na ginagawa po ninyo sa ating area of responsibility. Hanggang sa muli po, Ma'am. Thank you so much. And with that, partner.
Mga kaibigan, sa ngalan po ng aming Commanding General Philippine Air Force, Lieutenant General Stephen T. Pareño, Philippine Air Force.
At sa ngalan din po ng aming Wing Commander, Tactical Operation Wing Central, Brigadier General Federico B. Enriquez, Philippine Air Force.
Ako po si First Lieutenant Edibert B. Baguio, the Director for Civil Military Operations of Tactical Operations Wing Central.
At ako naman po si Airwoman Angel Festejo, Philippine Air Force.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at pagsubaybay. God bless. Mabuhay po tayong lahat and keep safe everyone.